Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. So, proceed tayo with problem number 3. So, for problem number 3, we have the integral of paano ba ito basahin? Cosec of cosecant h 1 minus x squared. Naku, buti na lang may x, di ba? So, buti na lang may x dito. Bakit? Kasi notice, I need to set this one as u. Now, ang mahirap, if this is u, dapat our du should be negative 2x dx. Buti na lang may x dx kabila. Kaya akala ko walang x. Buti na lang meron. So, anyway, let's proceed. So, to answer this one I will just actually let u be equal to this value here. So, that's 1 minus x squared, which makes du must be equal to negative 2x dx. By the way, I hope na saan galing yung du mo? Derivative, di ba? I'm sure you're already done with, di ba, pumasa kayo sa, kaya nga integral calculus na kayo kasi pumasa na kayo sa differential calculus. So again, I expect that you already know how to get the derivatives, especially if we will have substitution. Okay? Sige, so I think diretso na. Now, we cannot proceed with the substitution because we need negative 2, diba? We need negative 2. So I will multiply this one with negative 2, but I need to balance it out, or I need to neutralize it with 1 over negative 2. Okay? And then now we can proceed with the substitution. So this will become u, and then the whole term negative 2x dx will become du. Okay, and then I can proceed with equation number 2. So the integral for this one will be sine h u. Okay, and then plus c. Okay, but remember, retain the original variable, which is u should be equal to 1 minus x squared. Okay, so I think that's it. That will be our answer. Sige, check na natin kung same ba. Anong problem to? Number 3, no? Ay, sandali. Sorry, cosecant pala to. Bakit? Ba't sign? Sorry. Cosecant pala yan. So, dito tayo, cosecant. Kaya pala mali yung sagot ko. So, this is cosecant. Cosecant. So, ano ba yung integral ng cosecant? Squared pala. Nako. This is squared pala. Yan. Okay, sorry. So, cosecant squared, this is cosecant squared. Sorry, mali yung nailagay ko na, ano tawag dun? Na given. So, but anyway, yung approach is still the same pa naman. Cosecant squared, so this will be cosecant squared u. Ayan. So, anyway, the integral of cosecant squared u, based on our cheat sheet here, is cotangent x. Diba? Cosecant. O, yan o. Cosecant u is cotangent x squared is cotangent x. So, ang sagot pala dito will be diretso na, and then cotangent pala. Cotangent u. So, our answer should be 1/2 times cotangent, negative. Kalimutan yung negative. Negative cotangent h u, and then plus c. Okay. Yan. Okay, so anyway, negative times negative, this will become positive 1/2. And then cotangent cot h of u is 1 minus x squared. Yeah. Okay, so check down natin ulit. This is problem number 3. Yep, I think okay na. Tama na. 1/2 cot h 1 minus x squared. Sige. So, I hope that's it. If you have any questions, comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next problem. Problem number